or not, this box is going to get me started on year 2 on Optavia's 5-in-1 program. So let's unbox my month 13 Optavia box. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey, and I'm using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. As part of the Optavia program, I eat 5 fuelings that come to me in my monthly Optavia box, and I eat 1 lean and green meal, and you've seen lots of my lean and green with me videos. Hopefully you've seen them anyway. And so I am going to unbox my month 13 box. I started my Optavia journey on June the 20th, 2022, and today is June 17th, 2023. So I am just coming up to the end of being on the program for a full year. For a full year, I have had 5 fuelings every day, 1 lean and green every day. So far, as of 2 weeks ago when I did my last weigh-in, I had lost 122 pounds. I'm really hoping at my next weigh-in to have hit 125 pounds loss. I think I'm there. And so I'm looking forward to that weigh-in a couple of days. But I am closing in on my goal. This program has worked for me. I am flabbergasted so often when I think about how much weight I've actually lost, and that I am at a weight now that I haven't been in 30 years. So it is an amazing feeling. The amount of energy that I have, the amount of confidence that I have is astounding to me. I just returned from a vacation to visit my oldest daughter, and my ability to climb stairs and go for walks and walk distances, walk for a long period of time, that I had no struggles at all. And we climbed a lot of stairs and we did a lot of walking, and I was energetic and able to do it all and not exhausted at the end of the day. And I really credit this program in helping me to get the weight off. And so today I'm going to show you, what do I eat in a month of fuelings? So I haven't even opened this box yet, and I placed my order well before I left on vacation. So I kind of remember what I put in here, and a lot of the times I order a lot of the same things, but I know I ordered some additional things this month that I don't normally order. So I'm just going to go through it in the order they have this packed, and a lot of times I kind of pre-organize it, but you saw me just open this up. So let's go with the bars first. Peanut butter chocolate chip, love that bar. It's chewy. If you are like my age, which I just turned 58, so if you're like 50s, 60s, you might remember Tiger Milk bars, and that's what these remind me of in texture and even in flavor. Frosted Cinnamon Spice Bar, I think I probably have 2 of these. It is a common one for me to get. Yes, 2. This is a great one that I do for breakfast. Campfire S'mores Bar, super good, a great evening kind of thing. It's a little bit on the sweet side. And I always get 2 boxes of the Creamy Double Peanut Butter Crisp Bar. By far my favorite bar. Well, that was good. Yeah, so my favorite bar, that one is... That's not going to work. You get the picture. So those are my favorite bars. I do like the other bars as well. The peanut butter one and the cinnamon one are typically like the first bar that I have in the day. I do like the sweeter bars, but I try not to do a lot of bars because they do make me gassy, and you know, it's not always pleasant. So if I can stick to 1 bar a day, then that's better. But occasionally I do have to have 2 bars if I'm not going to be home. It's a real easy thing to throw in my bag or have in the car with me, just as an emergency fueling. Some sweet fuelings here. I did get the golden butterscotch blondie mix. I am not a huge fan of it. It tastes a little chemically to me. And so caramel butterscotch things do tend to kind of have that chemical flavor. But somebody asked me to do this with another fueling, which I will explain when I pull that one out. But that is a good one. Decadent chocolate brownie. I just got one because I do have a surplus of those. So I don't think I got 3 of them, but maybe I did. Apple cinnamon spiced oatmeal. Oh my gosh. This is delicious. I'm trying to see if I got more than one of them. I did not. I love the oatmeal first thing in the morning. I also got the maple brown sugar oatmeal. So that is a really great one. The way I do that is I have a small thermos. It's a little food jar. I think it is either 12 or 16 ounces. I think it's a 12 ounce. I put that in there. I put boiling water in there, about a cup of boiling water, a little bit more. I whisk it really well, seal it up. I will do that when I have fueling number 1, so that 2.5 hours later when I get to fueling number 2, it has absorbed all the water. It's super thick. It's so good. It doesn't have as grainy of a texture as oatmeal-y of a texture as normal oatmeal does. It's a little bit more porridgey, but it is really good. And for me, it's super filling and super delicious. I got some shakes. So I have the creamy chocolate shake, which is delicious. The peanut butter shake, my favorite shake of all. And I got 2 of the peanut butter shakes. Just, it's so good. And I got a strawberry shake. So I bought the Dash My Mug ice cream maker. And I have been making ice cream out of shakes. I also use shakes in combo with other things. And I'll talk a little bit about that as well. But I have decided that is a great way to have the shakes. So I bought the strawberry shake. I'm not a huge strawberry shake person, but I thought it might be good as ice cream. So I'm going to try that. And I also thought I would try it as frosting, and I've done that before. So when I do my cake squares, so I have a Fun with Fueling videos on the cake squares, and a lot of times I'll do the peanut butter or the chocolate as the frosting, but that would be really good. I also have a sandwich cookie recipe. So what I'm going to do is try to do sandwich cookies with the strawberry filling and see how that comes out. So I'm really interested to try that combo with one of my Fun with Fuelings ideas. Typically my third fueling of the day, like around noonish, so kind of a lunchish fueling, is going to be one of the potatoes. It's going to be a soup. It's going to be something along the kind of the lunch lines. And I have several things already on hand. So I bought the red bean and vegetable chili. This was actually out of stock recently, and it just came back in. So I grabbed a box to throw into my supply. You need to have 22 boxes in order to get through a typical month. I like to order 23 or 24 boxes a lot of the time so that I can have extras. And so I do, after being on the program for a year, I do have a surplus of fuelings. So some months I will cut back and not order quite as many. But it is great to have that extra supply in case shipping is late, or in case something happens and you run out, or one of your friends who lives close by runs out of fuelings and you need to pass some things along, or you have somebody who wants to try the program and you say, hey, just try these to see if you like the flavors, and if it's something that you might want to work on, then you can provide some samples to people if they want to do that. I've done that a few times. So I am going to show you the last things that I got. First of all, the golden chocolate chip pancake. I got 2 of those. So I'm going to stick those up there. And I got 2 of the regular pancake, the golden pancake. And let me tell you about the pancakes. So this is one of those eat your words kinds of things. I was not crazy about the pancakes when they reformulated them. They are dry, and I don't like them straight up as pancakes or waffles by themselves. Just don't. I think they're dry, not crazy about them. However, I do take them now and use them since the cinnamon cream cheese swirl cake is no longer around. It makes a great base for making cupcakes or cake squares. I just have substituted these in for where I was using the cinnamon cream cheese cake. So I will take a pancake and a shake and combine it together, divide it into 2 cake squares, or if I want to do it with frosting, I'll divide it into 3 and then take a shake and frost the 3 with the shake so that I take 3 fuelings, make 3 cake squares, each one is a fueling. That works really well. So that is why I have bought 4 boxes of those. And that will get me through I probably won't buy pancakes the next month. I'll buy more of the oatmeal and just kind of rotate things out that way. So I have a few sweet fuelings that I got. The chocolate fudge pudding mix is great. I like that one to mix also with the pancake and make like a chocolate cake kind of thing. It also works really well as ice cream. I bought 2 boxes of the chewy chocolate chip cookies, so that is a good one to have. Then I bought 1 jalapeno cheddar poppers. I like to have these little bag snacks, bag fuelings, when I'm in the car and I'm driving and it's time for a fueling. I like it because I can eat it really slowly, one at a time. It takes a while to eat through the packet. You also drink a lot of water because they are a little bit dry. But I kind of rotate this one. I like this one. I like the Italian herb crunchers, the Italian cheddar, whatever they're called, and the smoky barbecue crunchers. I like those. Honey mustard sticks I loved at the beginning. They're okay. Now I will eat them, but they're not my favorite anymore. And the cinnamon sticks are also really good. I love the little bit of sugar that's at the bottom of the bag. That's super good. So that is the other one that I had. And the final thing I bought is the olive oil and sea salt popcorn. This is a snack. This is what you could use as an optional snack. It is not a fueling. You don't even pick it out of the same section of the shop on the Optavia site. You can have 1 optional snack a day. I don't have an optional snack every day. I am pretty judicious about having those. I only have them if I'm really hungry or if I need to push a fueling off a little bit because of scheduling, or I need to push my lean and green a little bit later because we're eating out or something. I might have a snack for that. But typically, this is what I have in a month of fuelings, and you can go back and watch my other unboxing to see a lot of these things are the same. I was supposed to order and I didn't, or maybe I ordered it and it's not available anymore, is the sweet potatoes. I know that one is being discontinued, so I need to go back and check my order to see if I actually had it on there, because someone asked me to do a combo with the butterscotch blondie and the sweet potato, and so I know that's why I put the butterscotch blondie in there. Not sure if I forgot to order the sweet potatoes or if they don't have them anymore. So I guess I'll have to check on that and find that out. Do always check your order. Sometimes they forget to put something in there, so you want to make sure that you get what you paid for. And hopefully they will be honest. They usually are. They're really good. So double check your order. Make sure that you got everything that you planned on ordering, or figure out how to get replacements for those things. And if you have questions about Optavia, if you have questions about how to place your order, how to change up your order, please let me know. Leave me comments in the comments box below. I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up. Let me know that you like this kind of content, that you like me, and you want to see more videos. I'm really excited to be starting year 2 and hope to reach my goal by October. That is my ultimate goal, so we'll see if that happens. Not holding my breath, but I think I'll be pretty darn close to go by October and can start to transition off of fuelings and back to just 6 small meals a day, 3 meals, 3 snacks, something so that I can keep this weight off for the rest of my life. That's the plan, is to get healthy, stay healthy, live a long life, be around for my granddaughter and maybe future grandchildren and my family, and just be able to love on people. So that's my box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until I see you next time, please live in the light.